Assalamu alaikum students. Previously we have discussed about the osmoregulation in plants. Now our topic of discussion is excretion in plants. First of all, you have to keep in mind the basic definition of excretion. Excretion is basically the removal of nitrogenous waste from the body. You have to keep in mind that you have to write the removal of nitrogenous waste. If you don't write the word nitrogenous, your complete definition of excretion will be considered wrong. So please keep in mind that you have to write the removal of nitrogenous waste is called excretion, because living things need excretion and it is the essential property of life. Listen, I am giving this lecture from your biology book, FSC part 2. That's why I want to discuss each and every line that is discussed in your book. That's why I have brought these lines for you, so that you have the clear concept regarding your syllabus. Okay, next is the waste products of plants. What are the waste product of plant that will plant excrete out? These are the oxygen, carbon dioxide and water. Oxygen is the waste product in case of photosynthesis, and carbon dioxide is the waste product in case of respiration, and water is the waste product in case of photosynthesis as well as respiration. Okay, so you have to elaborate these concepts with the help of the diagrams, that the oxygen is excreted in case of photosynthesis, and carbon dioxide is excreted from the plant in case of respiration, and water as well as water is removing out from the plant in case of both processes, photosynthesis and respiration. Okay, next is plant vacuole. Next we will discuss about the plant vacuole. Plant vacuole will store both useful materials as well as the waste substances. So it will accumulate at that concentration that lead to the crystal formation. So concentration of useful storage compounds will be up to the some extent, and waste substance will also up to the extent that it will ultimately lead to the formation of crystals. Listen, when there is a concentration of everything, when there is highly concentrated environment, it will ultimately lead to the formation of crystals. So the waste material and useful material are stored in the vacuoles, and they will ultimately form the crystals. Now we will discuss about the point that is discussed in your book, that is excretophore. Plants are the excretophore. Why? Because they are store waste of organic and inorganic nature, and they are ultimately destined to fall off in autumn season. Okay, when in autumn season falls are destined to fall off, and the waste products are excreted in the form of these yellow leaves. Okay, next is some trees deposit strange chemicals in the branches and trunks, especially in the xylem, which is no longer used for the water transport, and this take place in ebony. In case of ebony, there is a formation of deep black wood, and this deep black wood indicate the formation of waste material in the trunk. So you can see the diagram of ebony in this picture. Ebony means deep black wood. Next is the chemical weapons of the plants. Some plants will actively secrete the waste compounds into the soil, that occasionally using them as chemical weapons against the other competing plant. For example, if a plant is here, and it is using the nutrients of this surrounding, if another tree grows up in that environment, then it will also have to use these nutrients. So this tree will not tolerate this interference, and it will ultimately release the waste materials that will act as a weapon. So this plant will be ultimately destroyed. And the example is the conifer tree. So plants use their excretory materials as the chemical weapons. So basically this is all about the excretion in the plants. Next topic will be the excretion in the animals. Hopefully you will understand all of these headings and these diagrammatic representations, because these are very compulsory regarding your examination. You have to draw each diagram, so you will get the good marks and good impression on the examiner. So next topic will be discussed in the next lecture. Hopefully you will understand and like and share my video. Thank you so much.